Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at Substitution Level 2. This is a continuation of systems of linear equation, solving them algebraically using the substitution method. Okay, so in the previous lesson we had two linear equations that was both solved for y, and we would set them equal to each other and didn't substitute it in. In this lesson, the equations won't necessarily be like that. You'll need to do the substitution from the very beginning. As you see how this is already equal to x, and what we're going to do is take that and substitute it here and then solve. Then do another substitution on the back end. So let's take a look at a couple of examples here and go from there. Alright, so in this first example, we've got 3x minus 8y is equal to negative 50, and 6y is equal to x. So what we're going to do is I'm going to write out everything in this first equation without the x here. I'm going to have a little space for it. So I have 3, change that. So I have 3 times x minus 8y is equal to negative 50. Let me zoom in here. Erase that and zoom in. Alright, so we got 3x minus 8y is equal to negative 50. And I forgot to sub it. Alright, so what I'm going to put in here is what x is. X is 6y. So I'm going to put in 6y. And now the whole equation has y's in it, and you can solve for y. So I have 3 times 6, which is 18. Change my color back. 18y minus 8y is equal to negative 50. And then do 18 minus 8, which is 10. Then divide by 10. And y is equal to negative 5. So we have part of it now. We know that the y is negative 5. And make sure you put that in the right spot. Now we're going to take this y and substitute it in here. So I'm going to take that same equation here. I want to make sure I get it right here. 3x minus 8y is equal to negative 50. And we're going to plug in this negative 5. Alright, so we have 3x, and then negative times a negative, which is a positive, and 8 times 5, which is 40. And then we're going to subtract 40 on both ends. That's going to leave us 3x is equal to negative 90. And then we're going to divide by 3. And x is equal to negative 30. Alright. So now we're going to plug in the negative 30 in for x, and we have our answer. Now, here's the deal though. I just picked the first one. Could you plug it in on the second one? Totally. And just do negative 5 times 6, you know, negative times positive is negative, 6 times 5 is 30, negative 30. That works as well. But I'm just showing you, once you find the answer, all you got to do is sub it back in. Alright, go ahead, take a look at this next one. You can pause the video here and see if you can solve it on your own. Alright, so in this one, the answer you should get is negative 4, 1. Okay, so let's take a look and see how you get that there. So I'm going to take this negative 4y and plug it in for x, because negative 4y equals x. So I have, zoom in here, negative 2x minus 10, y is equal to negative 2. See if I can write that better. Negative 2, space here for my negative 4y, minus 10y is equal to negative 2. And then I'm going to do negative times a negative, which is positive, 2 times 4, which is 8. So I have 8y minus 10y is equal to negative 2. Then I combine these like terms here, and then the different signs, find the difference. 10 minus 8 is 2. The 10 is the bigger absolute value. Leave it negative. Negative 2. Then divide by negative 2. And y is equal to positive 1. So that's how you get the 1 there. Now I'm going to take that y and plug it in for negative 4. I'll plug it into this. Instead of putting in the bigger equation this time, I'm going to go ahead and put it here and work that out. So I have negative 4 times y, which we know is 1, is equal to x. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So x is equal to negative 4. And that's it. That is solving linear functions using the substitution method. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.